Hello guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Fatou and I make videos about cooking and cleaning and braiding and anything that's fun, anything that I'm into. So, I'm a multifaceted woman. So anything that I'm gonna be interested in, I'm gonna post about it, I'm gonna talk about it, and we'll all be passionate together. So today is gonna be something very new. I haven't done this on my channel before. This is going to be an unboxing video of a Dior set that I bought. So without further ado, let's get into it. So I got mine from Macy's because they come with these little gifts that are so pretty. So this is like a Dior little pouch bag. Like you can put makeup to go in it, whatever you want to. And inside, when you open it, it has the new Dior. It's called Dior Lore. It has the little sample perfume. I think you twist it off. Oh my god, that smells like heaven. That smells so good. So it has that in the bag, and it also have like a Dior mascara in the bag as well. So this is that. So you have all these perfume samples to use. So you have Oscar de la Renta, you have some Microcost Gorgeous. I don't even know the scent of this one. And you have Angel, you have Marc Jacobs. So you have a lot of perfume samples that it comes with. I love these because I don't like big handbags, so I never carry a full-size perfume in my bags. So these little samples are perfect to carry in your purse, in your clutch when you're going out, so that way you can just refresh your perfume on the go. Also, it's a nice way of trying out new perfume without committing to buying the whole bottle. So I think that was cool. So now let's get into the serious stuff. So this is the box. This is the box. It's so pretty. The packaging is perfect. So you kind of pull it on the side like this, and then ooh, look at that. So now you have, this is like the lipstick holder, but you can also use it as a clutch. So this is what it looks like from the front, and this is the back. It says Christian Dior Paris on it here, and it has like the CD logo here, and it also has the Christian Dior logo on both sides. All right, so when you open it, it opens up to like the lipsticks. So you have 4 lipstick, and you also have a little mirror here, which is good because when you go out, you can just kind of, check on your makeup there or apply your lipstick from there. So I think that's pretty cool. So let's check out these lipsticks. So you have 4 lipstick. We're gonna do a swab. Oh, it's so pretty. It's like velvety. It's really pretty. All right, so this is the first swab. This is what it looks like. I think it's really pretty. That's a nice red. You also have this one. This is, I think, a nude color type of thing. So this is the color. This is the third one. This is more like a deeper red. And then you have this one. So these are the 4 swabs. My favorite one will be this red one here, and this second and third one here. Let's get into the bag. So this, you can use it as a clutch, which, you know, is really amazing to me. So you can remove this, the lipstick holder. It doesn't hold much, but this one is actually a lot bigger than the ones they had last year. This one comes with the little chain on the side. So you have the chain, and you're able to attach it to, so you see the little logo on the side, you are able to attach the chain to that here, and also on the other side, and voila. So you're able to use it like a little crossbody bag, or you can use it just like a clutch. Okay, so I think either way it's gonna be really pretty, and it's really like nice goldish color, so you can't fit much in there, but the fact that I have like the little lipstick holder here, so you could probably fit your lipstick here for like refill, and probably a cell phone. And I think you have enough space to put some credit cards, you know, maybe 2 or 3 credit cards if you're going out. And I think, you know, that's about it, you know, and that's all you need. And in this generation where everything is Apple Pay, why do you even need your physical credit card anyway? This is so pretty. I'm going to link both the Macy's and the Christian Dior link to the description, and you can buy it wherever you would like. But I got it from Macy's because Macy's is doing a friends and family sale right now, and I was able to get it for 15% off. This normally retail for $290 on both websites, and on Macy's I was able to get 43% off, and I was able to get the little pouch added it for free, and also all these perfume samples that I was able to get for free as well. So I think Macy's is, you know, a good deal when you think about it. So if you're interested in purchasing this, you can click the link in the descriptions and get you one, and let me know what you think in the comment. Okay, alright guys, that's it for today. If you like this type of content and you would like me to review more product and more things out there, please let me know in the comment description, and let me know what you want to see more of, and I will provide. Okay, thank you so much for watching, and if you like this video, please like and share and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in my next video. Thank you so much. Bye.